Alright guys, I'm here with Gypsy Danger, my G35. Just getting some vinyl inlays here. Oh, looks so good. Gonna redo the grill. Probably do it all black actually. She got a brand new vinyl wrap on the roof, mirrors, and backup camera. We have yet to install the spoiler again on her. Gotta do something about those taillights. All right, so gotta detail the car a bit. But first, let's talk about something here. I just called Nissan, the Nissan dealership, because the muffler that's on here was from the previous owner. It's really loud. It's great, a lot of power, but it's just too loud for what I'm doing right now. So I was like, well, I'll throw on a stock muffler, right? Call the Nissan parts department. They first they asked for the VIN because they said that there's a few different muffler assemblies for this car, which I know isn't true. There's only one that they used for like 8 years that'll fit. It's basically the same one. Build construction might have been different. But anyway, so I get a quote from them, right? Just for the part, no labor. Muffler is anywhere from 17,000. That's what they quoted me first, and I was like kind of silent for a second, and they started looking through the part numbers, and they're like, well, we can get you this, this muffler for 10 or this one for 4, but are you kidding me? $17,000 for a Nissan muffler? I mean, come on. It's no wonder that they're having such trouble trying to sell mufflers at 17,000. That doesn't include any of the labor or anything to do any of the work, any of the welding. That would be all on me. I'd be the one taking off the old one, welding on the new one, paying the welder, doing all of that. That's just for the part from the dealership. That's unreal. That's the price of a new car. I could buy a new Civic for $17,000 at the price of a Nissan muffler. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with that, but obviously super unhappy as far as a Nissan Infiniti guy. Super unhappy. I was thinking about changing brands before, and this just kind of, I mean, I'll always have Gypsy. I'm never gonna get rid of Gypsy. But as far as buying another Nissan or Infiniti, I was thinking about changing brands before, and this just completely drove it over the edge. Like, I will never own another Infiniti or a Nissan. That's unreal, honestly. I was completely blown away. It's almost like a joke. Like, you would think the guy was joking, but he was dead serious. He was looking up the muffler and assembly in his computer, and 17 grand is what they need for it. So if they need $17,000 for a muffler, I think I need to pick a different car company. But anyway, today we're just gonna be working on the interior, cleaning it up, getting it ready for those upcoming car meets that are hopefully going to be scheduled soon at pavilions. Really hoping those get back on track, and be excited.